Hi guys, I am preparing to make some keto rice, and what you need for it is a cauliflower. So I've just washed it really well and I'm going to let it dry a bit and then we shall begin. Okay, I cut off the stem. And if you've got dogs, you could give that to them, see if they like it. You separate it into the little florets, and I would break it down a little bit more than this. Now you don't need any kind of kitchen appliances to make this. You can simply chop it with a knife into small pieces that resemble rice. You could use a grater, a food processor, or what I'm using today, a blender. Just because I have one handy and out, I'm going to try it and see what happens. So let me throw these in the blender and we'll go from there. Okay, I've got just this much in there and let's try this out. See if I got the right setting. Okay. Okay. So there you have it. I did that in less than 5 minutes. You have to sometimes put in, I think, a little bit less is better. And then you have to pulse it and even take the glass out, shake it up and down, and keep pulsing, then empty it out, and then add some more. And so this is what I have left, quite a bit. So I'm going to put that into a container and put it in the fridge. And what you could do is you could do the whole thing and just keep it in a Ziploc bag or a container in your fridge, and it should keep for a while, not too long, or you could freeze it as well. So I hope this is of help to someone out there. This is what I'm going to be using for my first challenge, cooking challenge, and it turned out fantastic. So stay tuned and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.